guys, let's just unpack on The Real Housewives of Durban, season 5, episode 8. Remember, there was a fallout around Unonku no Angel. They fought a bit, and Unonku, she takes it too far. You know how it is. She was like to Angel, when you are a kid, and then that triggers Angel. Remember, even on season 4, Wash would say she doesn't like that, but I don't understand why, because I just feel like even now, she knows she's not a child. She's 13 now. She was 29 at the time on season 4 when she was angry, and then baqala bakhombana, and they had this huge fight. It was what Angels to episode 7. She went outside to cry. Bamlandela kuyomthulisa. Unonku was like, "Hey, akakhali, I don't even wanna know. I don't care." Imagine, guys. So the following day, Jojo goes to Angel just to see how she is in her room, and parted some dead flowers. They laughed about it together, but I mean, this was a nice gesture, I guess, for her to bring Angel flowers. Tells, you know what, I'm here for you. Anything you want to talk about, support. No, Jojo ends up crying. Guys, why is Jojo crying? Are you Jojo 9? Then she goes to Nonku's room. Unonku agavuli at some stage in her room. She was worshipping she was in a zone. So she didn't open for Jojo. And I'm just like, you know what? I had said with about this friendship. Just as much as we're trying so hard to be positive, but the stuff that I'm manifesting here is like, there have been saying since season 4, this friendship is so crazy. And now these days, Unonku, we am ignore Jojo, and Jojo didn't like it, as I'm saying, like I'm saying, she was even crying. And my thing is that this friendship is so, it's not even one-sided as such, but you know how it is. Unonku bona sengathi Jojo unabantu abasha in her life, and she likes them. She'll be like, I'm the best friend in the stuff that she was saying in season 4. Even in season 3, when they started to become friends, these childish things, like, she can be very childish. And she tried to Jojo ukuba a bigger person, and why Unonku is not even explaining to her why ungangivulelang, like ukuba nje that explanation. She just kept quiet to Jojo sitting there. Unonku is busy saying, I was caught in the zone worshipping. Ngapha Unonku futhi criticize usisi lo pastor's wife uqalile naye uthi when uyaphuza mose aniboni yini PF. Guys, who even says things like that? Umuntu unephuza face mose uyaphuza in. Guys, I just feel good. You know what? I've been repeating about Nonku for the past 3 weeks now. And even when it started now in season 5, I did say, good, Unonku, she starts off nice, and then she changes, and then she starts to say stuff to people. And I just feel good that is not right. Now, busy no pastor's wife. Ngitshele sibukele nasesontweni lo muntu has people. You remember this person has a school of apprenticeship where she trains people, and she has children. She is a pastor's wife. Unonku busy when you are pooza, you do drink. Unane phuza face. Guys, I don't even see the phuza face mean. Who even says those things? Unonku vela ngabambeki, guys, and start to be rude to people, and we always say, Unonku Nkosi. My qala Housewives of Durban season 5. Unonku wayesethandaza ebeka izandla phezulu. What did I say to you? I said uzombona, she takes another direction in the middle of them season, like how she's doing now. She started uhlanya labantu ubusy manje nepastor's wife uyayiforce ukuthi uyaphuza wazwakhala, guys, ulo. Like, who even says things like that, guys? That's just so unfair. And then she comes off now as a person who wants to apologize to the twins. She comes to the twins, hi guys, I'm so sorry that I came off on you. I'm really sorry. Atama twins, as low. I guess understand, yes, our parents took us to good schools and all of this, but we were bullied at those schools. And she doesn't know where we're coming from. And then she just gibela us and say stuff to us, and we understand. And Unonku likes doing that. And Abe petty footy at the same time about stuff she's saying. And then she's in people's dabas. Remember, on a season before the season, I said she will be in people's dabas. But no one is supposed to ask her anything about her ndabas. Now she's in the twins ndabazi upis nama twins. Ama twins no, and I was telling her, you know what? Tina, we went through some stuff as twins and all of that. We were basically escolating. And when you come here and tell us who we are without our consent, and you don't even know us, what we went through. Those are the things she does. But I must say, there are rooms in Johannesburg were quite beautiful. They were nice. The ladies had fun, and they're the most beautiful room. But my thing is that Unonku, guys, will never stop, or she won't stop at nothing. She won't change. She's actually getting worse this season. That's my thing. And I feel like Unonku still needs to have time with the twins and sit just the three of them to apologize proper. That wasn't proper at all, what you were saying there. Unjalo Unonku. She just disregards people and just treat people like trash whenever it suits her. And then Uzobalaudi and all those sorts of things that she was doing to Angel. And she did the same to the twins. And my thing is that she needs time with them. Abahlalise phansi must go out maybe for coffee or dinner or lunch and be like, get all summer twins in a proper way, you know. Goba sometimes Unonku does apologize, but at times it looks like abantu, you understand? You know, those type of people who are just like going apologize and just come just for TV, just for clout, just a better person. She comes across as that person. She doesn't mean it when she apologizes to Unonku. It also comes out to Unonku, yes, Benolo, or pastor's wife. That's how I'm gonna identify her all the time. Have been praying together, but you come and treat her like that and come up with stories. In guys, that's not nice. Hey, that's not right. Actually, it doesn't look nice at all. They've been praying together, sharing some verses together, sharing some stuff about God, and then the next thing, this is how you treat her. You know, yeah, it doesn't look good at all. So guys, Ulo did cry in the diary session. It didn't look nice. It didn't look good. That wasn't nice at all. And for Abanta who have been praying together every morning, I am just like, no, this can't be. So is Nonku faking this drama for TV? Like, what is she doing? You know, but she's not faking. Nonku is this person, in fact. So guys, it wasn't nice how Unonku now was going on about the pastor's wife Ulo, because like I'm saying, Ulo has people that look up to her. You understand that at church, and she has businesses. She has people in KZN, or should I say in Durban, that know her. It's not nice, guys. So Real Housewives of Durban, season 5, episode 8. I thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate the love. Over. Thank you.